Welcome! Today you'll learn how to generate instant drafts for emails, articles, and posts using AI, plus practical prompts and shortcuts you can use every day. Use a clear structure, state your goal, provide key points, and specify the tone. This simple formula gives AI everything it needs for a solid draft. Emails become effortless when you include context, the main issue, and request multiple versions, so you can pick the best one instantly. For articles, ask AI to generate a structure, specify the angle, and request examples or facts to make the content more valuable. AI can create platform-optimized posts when you specify the tone, hook style, and number of variations. Finish strong by asking AI to shorten, rewrite, or sharpen tone, the fastest way to craft a polished final draft. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel QuickGuides to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.